Shaila, you're the best thing that's happened to me. I'm blessed to have someone who makes me better in every way possible. Alhamdulillah. It's a surreal feeling to think how quickly things happen with us, and yet it all felt so natural.
ধরার ধুলিতে যে ফাগুন আসে কই তাহার মতো তুমি আমার কাছে কভু আসো না তো আকাশ পারে ওই অনেক দূরে যেমন করে মেঘ যায় গয়ুড়ে আকাশ পারে ওই অনেক দূরে যেমন করে মেঘ যায় গয়ুড়ে যেমন করে সে হাওয়ায় ভাসে কই তাহার
I fell so hard for your smile and eyes, and it only got better once I got to know the person within. You're kind, humble, and giving. It's almost like I married myself. But I knew how I felt about you and how much I love you the first day we met in Austin.
চাঁদের আলোয় রাত যায় যে ভোরে তাহার মতো তুমি করো না কেন গো ধন্য মোরে চাঁদের আলোয় রাত যায় যে ভোরে তাহার মতো তুমি করো না কেন গো ধন্য মোরে যেমন করে নিড়ে একটি পাখি
All I can say is I've seen him grown from a young man to
an older man. And he brought us all the way out here in the Mounties.
and today he has taken us from those ghettos to the mountains of Colorado in USD.
বলির কথা শুনে বকুল হাসে কই তাহার মতো তুমি আমার কথা শুনে হাসো না তো ধরার ধুলিতে যে ফাগুন আসে
Tony, I mean, she's been a dreamer. She's a very tough girl, but very soft and warm from inside. And if anyone has known her, she used to have Pinterest boards of things. And I always wondered, oh my God, this girl is such a dreamer. Who's going to match up with this? She's going to be so disappointed. And then flashback to 2024, October 13, we're all slammed into the mountains in the middle of nowhere.
ये कैसी मुलाकात है जैसे सदियों से तुम मेरी जान हो अब कैसे मैं ये समझाऊं कितने अरसों से तुम्हारा ही मुझे इंतजार है तुम जो पास आई चूमने का यूं
I promise to always keep you smiling, take care of you and our family, and build a beautiful future together. I hope we continue to communicate well and be open with each other. They say only 1% of the people meet their soulmates. I can say with certainty that I'm now part of that 1%.
दोनों ही कलाइयों पे चांदी है सजी
Dum dum Shayla, if you have a vision, like I said, you make it come true. If she says she's going to do something, she will make it happen no matter what. Like this wedding, she always talked and dreamt of having a wedding by the mountains, and she did the darn thing. Mahir, thank you so much for loving my Shyla the way she loves to be loved. She's really specific of the way she loves to be loved. Like sometimes I was like, okay, she's a little bit delusional, but she wasn't. See, Allah is like the best of planners.
नाचने का मन करे तो झूम लेंगे हम और सितारों के बगीचे घूम लेंगे हम.
So when he actually asked me to stand by his side for this wedding, I originally actually thought he was asking me to marry him. So I normally, as every person would, I said yes right away. I didn't realize how much planning and effort would go into that. So to Shyla, thank you for taking this guy off our hands. He was too much work. And all jokes aside, you're a kind-hearted and caring individual, and I'm so happy that you and Mihir have truly found each other. I cannot wait to see what you guys have and what the future holds for both of you.
इत्तेफाक है.
One question I have gotten asked a lot was, how did I know Mahir was the one? And even though I might have said we shared the same values and had the same vision for our family and how he felt like a home to me, which all of it was true, but I figured out the reason after we got married, when he mentioned how he likes a fried egg with his burger. Because if you know anything about me, is that is me.
ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, ये दिल संभल तो ले जरा, मैं थोड़ी देर जी तो लूं, नशे के घूंट पी तो लूं, नशे के घूंट पी तो लूं. अभी तो कुछ कहा नहीं, अभी तो कुछ सुना नहीं, अभी ना जाऊं छोड़ कर के दिल